App Inventor. First, let me introduce that what is MIT App Inventor. It is a website you can download also. It is a website to make an app. It is for kids only. If you are a kid or you are an adult, you can make it. We can download APK files by that or make games. It is like Scratch only, but half big level from Scratch. So we will go to, search MIT App Inventor. So MIT App Inventor, not MIT App Inventor. And then click the first link. Okay. Then go to create apps. If it is coming not secure, don't care that it is secure. It will not harm anything. It will not harm anything from your computer. Okay, this is loading. After loading, it will ask you for your Gmail account. So you can give your Gmail account. I have hidden my Gmail account due to security purpose. And then start new project. Click on this, start a new project. And then you will see an interface like this. Project name App Trial. This is for beginners. You have seen in the title also. So you can see. So go to buttons. Take buttons. Here is button. We'll drop it here, and we'll change its text. Here we can change its text. We change the text to click me. Click me. Okay. Then after this, what you have to do? Click me. After this, you can change its color. So how you can change it? Its color. Background color. We change this. And then we can change the size of this also. Okay, you can see now. Then we'll do. You can see here two options. So we'll go to blocks and do the coding. Go to screen 1, go to button 1 and take this block. When button 1 click, do, and then you have to take a call text to speech. First we will go to designer and take text to speech. Go to media, select the media and here text to speech. And then again go to blocks and you can see a text to speech here. So here we will take call text to speech message, and then go to text and take this first block which is blank, and here we will write hello, my is take by me. This is not my real name, but I am writing my channel's name. Okay, then we have to download the app on our phone. So I will turn on my screen recording first. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आप देख सकते हैं इधर। सो हम लोग प्ले स्टोर जाते हैं और प्ले स्टोर जाते ही हम लोग प्ले स्टोर जाकर हम लोग सर्च करेंगे MIT ऐप कंपेनियन। सो हेयर आप देख सकते हैं, इसको हम लोग सिंपली डाउनलोड कर लेंगे। ये डाउनलोड होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लेगा। अगर आपका नेटवर्क पूरा बूस्ट है तो ये आपका ज़रा भी टाइम नहीं लेगा। तो इधर आप देख सकते हैं डाउनलोड स्टार्ट हो गई है। ये अभी जल्दी ही डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, तो इसको डाउनलोड होने देते हैं। और मैं सो इट इज़ इंस्टॉलिंग, लेट हिम इंस्टॉल एंड देन you can see some options. You can see some options. Here you can see two options. So here is my computer screen. You can see side by side. So here we will go to connect an AI companion, and then here in the phone you have to click scan QR code and allow this, and now scan this code. Okay, so you can see, and after a second it will show your game here. You can see on the screen it is coming app trial progress bar. Okay, if it is not showing your screen, then it will directly go to your mobile screen. So you can see here is a click me option. So we'll click this.
Hello, my name is Tech by me. Hello, my name is Tech by me. Hello, my name is Tech by me.
You can see this how it is working.
Hello, my name is Tech by me.
And it is your coding also, and it is your coding only. You have done this coding.
Hello, my name is Tech by me. Hello, my name is Tech by me.
So this is the tutorial that how you can make. Let's edit this and
Hello, my name is Tech by me.
here we will write. So let's end the video. By me. So let's end the video. Please you can see
Hello, my name is Tech by me.
here is coming that only. We will back this and open this again, and then scan QR code. You can see here what we will write. Means here we will connect this AI companion, and it is connecting. It will take less than 1 second to connect, less than 1 minute to connect, or if your network is slow it will take more than 1 minute. So you can see on the computer screen it is coming on the phone. Yes, now it came.
So let's end the video, please subscribe. So let's end the video, please subscribe.
So please subscribe my channel.
So let's end the video, please subscribe. So let's end the video, please subscribe. So let's end the video, please subscribe.
So this was a tutorial for the MIT App Inventor. You will get more tutorials in the future. So let's end the video, and so please.
So let's end the video, please subscribe.
Okay. So bye.